Jelyn, are you online?
Hello. Yes. Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi, Coach Maylee.
Hello, hello. Let me look for
Yeah.
you. Yes.
Mm.
Hi. Awesome, Jelyn.
Hello.
Jelyn, thank you so much for tuning in and also sharing your story. Tell us more. How do you get started on the program? How do you get to know the 10 Day Lean at Home program?
Okay. So my story is a little bit different with Patricia. So let me start from the beginning, right? I used to be a chubby fat girl since young. So before I joined this program, I tried using my own method to lose weight actually. For example, I tried intermittent fasting, skipping carbs like rice and noodles, and also I forced myself to work out at least 6 days a week. So this method actually works for me. I dropped 6 kgs, but actually my target was 8 kg. So I was 2 kgs away. Um, but I feel like my body couldn't sustain this journey anymore because it makes me feel exhausted. And with the workload piling up, it makes me stressed up. And that's where the point of the time where my weight bounced back. And one day, my friend, she reached out to me, just called me and just checking on me, and also at the same time sharing what she's up to, right? And I happened to find out that she joined 10 Days in a Home program. By seeing her result, I noticed her energy level has a lot better as compared to before. I got inspired by her results, so I decided to give a try and see if this is something possible for me, right? And with the proper guide by my coach, I've lost 2 kgs. And to my surprise, I have my abs line coming up in just 4 weeks' time. Yeah, so throughout the journey, right, I realized that it's not just about losing weight, but the biggest change in my lifestyle is that I learned that how to build a good relationship with food. I no longer skipping carbs now. I started to eat rice because I've learned, carbs is very important for us, the source of energy for our daily activities. Yeah. Apart from that, I have also learned on how to give my body enough rest. So it's also for it to recover. Yeah, not overwork my body. So that's how my fitness journey goes, and I'm happy with my results, and I'm still sustaining my results until now, and I'm very happy for it. Yeah.
Wow, 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 Jelyn, you are amazing. May I know how young are you?
I'm 26 this year.
So young. Okay, the reason why I asked is because this is part of the program that we've designed. We wanted all our participants to also engage in the program itself, understanding why you are doing the things that we have advised you to do in your meal plan. And from how you explain, right, it's like the level of knowledge that you've developed over time through the program is amazing. It's like, how do you understand how to have the relationship with food, what kind of good choices to begin with, and also why carbs is important in your meals as well. And you're only 26. So when I started on the program, I was already like 30 years old. Yeah. And Jelyn, you're still so young and you have started your journey so much early compared to myself. So I'm going to see amazing, amazing changes that maybe until age 30, age 40, age 50, you will probably look the same as well. Yeah.
Yeah, I hope so. I want that
reverse
too.
aging, we call it, or you maintain the aging process. That is always what we always look forward to. So tell us more about the community that you join in.
The community is what is part of the reason what keeps me going in this journey as well. Because last time when I do my own losing weight journey, right, I feel lonely actually. So when I joined this program is during MCO, I feel the positivity that the community can give me and makes me like attached to it, and I want to keep going with this community. Yeah, because it's different when you do your own workout versus you do with a group of people where they have the same goal with you, right? And you do it together. The energy is different. Yeah, I would say. And
Awesome.
I love the community.
And also over here, right, you have inspired so many people to join you. And for you that needs to get lean and tone, you help like people losing weight as well. How did you do this?
Yeah, so I help people to lose weight and also to gain weight as well. Yeah, so because I was very happy with my result, right? And then I just share it, my happiness and my achievement. And I also quite surprised I'm able to impact other people that they approach me and ask, hey, Jelyn, what program are you doing? I also want to lose weight and I also want to improve my eating habits. Yeah, so then I say, okay, I'm following my coach and everything. Then I connect them with my coach and let my coach and me to guide them together to achieve their goal. Yeah.
How does it feel helping your friends and family members getting in shape?
I feel amazing because like they have something they look for a solution for you, and I'm able to help them to reach for what they want. Yeah,
so it's like paying it forward. You receive, you understand, and you build that knowledge, and now you're helping your friends and family to do the same too.
Yeah, so it's like not just I'm receiving the benefits, but also I'm sharing what I have learned to my friends and then do it together and pick up all the good habits together, because in overall health is wealth, right? And I want to like share this vision to everyone that our health is the most important.
Amazing. Congratulations, Jelyn. One more last thing. What is a word of motivation or encouragement you want to give to everybody over here?
I would say so. Health is the most important thing, and for fitness, right? It is not a short-term thing, because I used to think that, oh, once I lose like 4 kgs, I can stop there. But it's actually not. You need to like, it's a journey, right? You need to sustain it in terms of your lifestyle and habit, everything together to maintain your health. Yeah.
Amazing. Awesome, Jelyn. Thank you so much for your sharing.
Thank you. Thanks, everyone.
So if everyone, you get inspired by Jelyn's story, please type yes as well. Yes, 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 yes. Or 88888. Thank you, Jelyn. Awesome, everybody.